Welcoming a quick review of the game and what you can actually expect. So, turn-based combat with clear rules, predictable strategy, and satisfying combos. Card-based abilities allow tactic flexible each turn. Elemental interactions and environment effects create interesting combat depth. You have great also presentation of the game, great co-op, replay friendly, and also runs well across platforms. But what are the negative things that you have to be aware of? Limited character customization. You cannot freely mix race and class. No deep D&D style custom characters creation. Restrictive single player progression. In solo mode, only your main hero levels up. AI controlled party members stayed at the base power, making later content harder. And the design strongly favors multiplayer progression. So the single player is like not that great. Feels more like a demo style board game than a true D&D rule set. And also skill checks are simple, often random, and don't allow deep tabletop mechanics. Story and role-playing elements are lighter than in traditional D&D game. And drag and drop movement can feel imprecise, especially with mouse or VR controllers. Easy to misplay cards due to pointer alignment or hand positioning. And also the co-op requires stable servers and can be affected by disconnects, and this is online only co-op. And the campaign is shorter. So, and the difficulty cannot be also adjusted. So just be aware, quick video for you, what you can actually expect from the game. Great day.